Anywhere, anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you got me cruising on the moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over it. Checking my maps, heading a stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl.
I'm locked in. Guess I'm locked in. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Looking for a piece of mind. I've been trying to redefine life. I can see the signs. World is going to see me shine. Fighting for my soul's sake. Whipping fast, no brakes. Nothing's ever been a waste. Now that I've been wide awake. Luke's trying to pull me back in. I was stuck for a minute and forgot the passion. Since the lights turned on, it's been camera action. And you start to see it all like a chain reaction. Watch it happen, yeah. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going in my head from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and that's on my soul. Time's moving, I've been losing track of where I've been. Had to quiet all the voices living in my head. I see the riches of the world, I'm not impressed. Know that I'm far from perfect, but trying my best. Looking up to the sky, feeling grateful. Boy, I had to walk away from the fake road. Can't believe I'm still here on my way to find out the truth. Swear that I'ma find my way. Past been gone, I'ma watch it all fade. Whoa, guess I'm going in my head from everybody's problems. Oh, guess I'm locked in, guess I'm locked in. I got this, and it's on my soul. Guess I'm locked in, I'm locked in.
Game boy, tapos na kami magbuhat. Wala akong masabi. Walang nangyari ngayong araw, boy. Yun lang, nagbuhat lang kami kanina. Tapos nung umaga, wala eh. Inedit ko lang, tapos in-upload ko lang yung vlog 001 kaninang umaga.
Gaano ang computer mo?
Oo, tumatakbo na yung PC.
Kaya nakapag-upload na.
Sana tumagal lang 10 years yung motherboard. Okay na ako dun. Tapos yung GPU sana tumagal din pa ng another 7 years. Kasi walang walang integrated graphic IGU, basta ganun, walang built-in. iGPU yung tawag, integrated. Basta ganun, iGPU.
Nosebleed.
Yun. Walang built-in yung processor na binili ko para mas malakas. Ang problema, yun nga, pag nasira yung GPU mo, walang display. So medyo mahirapang mag-troubleshoot. Pero sanayan na lang talaga. Yun. Kaya sana tumagal pa ng mga 7 taon yung GPU na ginagamit ko kasi medyo mahal ng ngayon, graphics card, boy. 8,000, 9,000, 11 pa nga ata eh. So yun, let's go. Kamusta? May tatanong lang ako, boy. 'Di ba, yung napanood nyo sa unang clip, 'di ba? Sabi ko bumili ako ng bagong board tsaka processor. Kaso ang problema, yung PSU ko in play na brand. Based dun sa mga nababasa ko na review, ngayon guarantee sabog daw yung PSU na yon, pero hindi ko sure kung totoo. So nagdadalawang isip ako ngayon kung bibili pa ba ako ng bagong power supply or hindi na. Kasi nung nagto-troubleshoot pa ako ng lumang, nakabox na eh, yung lumang board ko, bumili ako ng bagong power supply. Yun nga yun, yung in-play, pang troubleshoot. Kaso, neto lang nga, mukhang board na may problema. Bumili na ako ng bagong board. Tsaka bagong processor. Kasi walang Intel na, tawag doon? Walang pang Intel na motherboard dun sa shop na binilang ko. So yun, napapaisip ako. Dun sa may mga experience dyan, sa in-play na power supply, pa-comment na lang kung ano yung experience nyo, kung guarantee sabog ba talaga yon or nagkataon lang. Hindi ko sure eh. Papaisip ako eh. Kasi kung bibili ako ng ibang brand ng power supply, titignan ko yung box ng Noong in-play, nakapaisip ako. Kung bibili ako ng mga bagong power supply talaga ngayon, yung mga maganda, yung kalidad, papalo ng 4,000, 5,000. Di ba? Makati rin boy, power supply lang yon. So, hintayin ko yung comment nyo boy. Pa-comment muna dyan. Yun lang. Thank you. Peace.